Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Pcnf. Here Pcnf means principal conjunctive normal form. Some of the key points we have to know about principal conjunctive normal form is by these key points only we can solve the problem and find out the Pcnf values for the above given problem. Here, first of all, the first point is it is in PC principal conjunctive normal form is a conjunction of max terms. You have to remember this word, that is max term words. Here, max term means disjunction of proposition. That means, for example, here P is a proposition statement and Q is a proposition statement. In between we have or symbol, connective symbol. This is called disjunction of propositions. Here in the first point given, conjunction of max term means in between this disjunction we have to put the and symbol, that is conjunction. This is called as, this whole compound statement called as conjunction of max terms, and these two are called max terms. Max term means disjunction of proposition. Proposition means P and Q values. Here possible number of max terms given by 2 power n formula. You can write the number of possible max terms by 2 power n formula, where here n means propositional variables. How many propositional variables we have to substitute here and we get the possible number of max terms in the problem. Here Pcnf considered false values. You have to remember this point always, because this is the main thing we have to remember. Pcnf considered false values in this truth table for max terms. Keep it in mind, it is the main thing in the problem. By this point only we get the Pcnf values. Okay, Pcnf considered false values. Coming to the Pdnf, that is principal conjunctive normal form. Here disjunction of min terms, whereas in conjunction Pcnf we have max terms, whereas in Pdnf we have min terms. Here min term means conjunction of propositions. Here in two proposition we have what symbol, or symbol. So this is max term, that is disjunction of propositional. It is reversed to, this is Pdnf is reversed to Pcnf. So here take P is a proposition and Q is another proposition. In between we have to place the and symbol. So this is the conjunction of proposition. And disjunction of min term is P and Q and Q and R. These are the two conjunction of prepositions. In between we have to place the or, that is disjunction of these min terms. Those are called min terms, and in this min terms we have disjunction. So it is the disjunction of min term. By this example, in conjunction of preposition means this is one proposition, this is one proposition, this is one proposition, this is one proposition. In between we place the conjunction, that is and symbol. Here same possible number of min terms is given by 2 power n formula, and where n is propositional variables. Coming to this point, here Pdnf considered true values. This is the main point we have to remember, that is Pdnf considered true points in this truth table for min terms. Here whereas in Pcnf we consider false values, whereas in Pdnf we consider true values. So these are the main things we have to remember. Pcnf considered false values in this truth table for max terms, and Pdnf considered true values in this truth table for min terms. Min term means what? Conjunction of propositions, and max term means what? Disjunction of propositions. These are the main points we have to remember while solving a problem. So here methods are there. You can find the Pdnf, Pcnf, or obtain the Pdnf, Pcnf of given form by using two methods. That is, first one method is truth table, and second method is using logical equivalent laws. We know the logical equivalences laws. In the previous video we had learned. Okay, so in this methods, truth table is a easy method to solve the problem related to Pcnf and Pdnf. Here some of the steps we have to follow to obtain the Pcnf or Pdnf. Here the first step is, whenever in the problem given in implication and by implication type, we have to convert it into and or a negation. If in the question directly given the and or negation form, so we have does not have to change it from this one to this one. It is directly given, so don't convert. If it is given in this form, in this two form, we have to convert this like that in the form of and or negation symbol. Okay. Next, we have to use the truth table or logical equivalences according to our convenient. If we how to solve easily means you can use truth table, or else you are perfect in logical equivalences law, so you can use the logical equivalences. It is your choice. But if in the examination point of view, in the examiner ask you find obtain Pcnf, Pdnf, so you can use any one of the method. If he is telling us to solve using this method only, then only we have to use that method only, not use any one of the one. If ask logical obtain Pcnf, Pdnf using logical equivalence means we have to use this one only, or else you asking with this means we use this truth table only. But if we not mentioned, we can use any one of the methods. So the third one is, by using these two we can obtain a Pcnf and Pdnf values. Let us consider an example problem. Here example is given that question, obtain Pcnf and Pdnf of negation P. Obtain the Pcnf and Pdnf of negation P implies implication R and Q by implication P. Here we know that in the steps we have to, if in the question given implication and by implication, we have to do convert it into, if given implication by implication time, we have to convert it to and or negation. Okay, by using logical equivalences or truth table. Here given in the form of implication and by implication, you can see here. So here we know that take it is as P and take it is as Q, and this also take it is as P and take it is as Q. We know that P implies Q equivalent to negation P or Q. So write this in the form of this. So here negation P, here P value is negation of, P value is what, negation P, or Q value is here R. In the place of Q we have to there R, and here Q double implies P. So here negation cancel, we get P R and Q double implies P. Okay, we also know that P double implies Q equivalent to P implication Q and Q implication P. So here P, take it is as P and it is Q. Here write this one P or R, and applying here implication by implication formula. So here P means what, we have Q implies, in the place of Q we have P, and in the place of Q we have P implies, in place of P we have Q. So by using this formula, applying to this, we get like this. So here P implies R, and take it is as P and take it is as Q and take it is as P is Q. By using this formula, P implies Q, here we have implication now. So using this formula, P implies Q equals to negation P or Q now. So writing this same as here negation q or q plus v of p and negation p or q by using this is as same this now, so here you are writing where same only, but here is q implication p, so we are assuming this as p and this q. By applying this formula to this we get negation q or p. Here we have to use method. Here I am using truth table method here. So in this we have how many variables? P, Q and R. Have three variables, right? Three variables P, Q, R. Here 2 power n, and here how many variables? 3 variables. So 2 power 3 means 8. We have 8 cases. How we have to write 8 cases means first write 4 truths and 4 false, 2 t's, 2 false, 2 t's, 2 false, 1 t, 1 false, 1 t, false, 1 true, 1 false, 1 true, 1 false. These are the 8 cases. In this we have what in the type of negation? Here negation p and negation q. So negation p value can be written as opposite to the p value. So here our true means here all are false, and here false means here true. Negation q means opposite values of q na. So false, true, false, true. Here we have what? First of all p or r na. So it is the p values and it is the q values. In between we have r negative. So in the r we know that if it is p, q and p r, it is p and r, it is p, q and p r, q. If two are false in the r negation, then whole statement is false na. So comparing these values, if any two values are false, this whole value is false. If any one is true, we get here true only. So comparing p and r, we have r connective. So p value is here, is r. True means true, true false means true, true means true, true false means true, false true means true only, false means false, false true means true, false means false only. Next we have to do what? Negation q or p. It is a negation q and it is a p. In between we placing or connective. So here only we said that if two are false, then only whole statement false. So comparing these two, here is false, here is true, we get true only. Here is false, here is true, we get true. True means true only. True means true only. False means false. False means false. True false means true. True false means true only. This is the negation q or p values. Now we have to do negation p or q. It is a negation p value or this is a q values. In between we have to replace the placing using or connective. So any one is true, we have true. Two or false, whole statement is false. Here is false, here is true, we get true. Here is false, here is true, we get true. False means false. False means false. True means true. True means true. Here true false means true only. True false means true only. You can see here false true, false true, false. So this is a rule too. Now this negation or negation q or p, negation p or q, in between in this three compound statement, what here placing and connective na. Here placing which connective and connective. So p or r and negation q or p and negation p or q. In between placing what connective and connective in this 3. In AND we know that P, Q and P and Q. If true statement true, then the whole statement is true na. So by comparing this condition into this, we writing the values of this 3 compoundation which is placing AND. So here all is true, then it is also true. Here also 3 are true, then it is true. Here is 1 is false, so false. It is also false, so here also false. Here also 1 2 single false is there, so false. Here also 2 false is there, false. It having true. And here also 1 false is there, so false. This is the value of truth values of this P or R and negation Q or P and negation P or Q values are here. Now we have to find the Pcnf. Here we know that Pcnf can be obtained considering the false values in the truth table of max terms. Here you can see here PCF considered false values in this truth table for max terms. False values of max terms Here you can see how many false is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the Pcnf values. So by taking this, max term means what we have know that here. Here max term means what? Disjunction of prepositions. So these are the P, Q, R are the preposition. In between we have to place the disjunction. So Pcnf means what? Take the false values of max terms. False values of max term. That is here in this place we have false. So take your value, that is P or false is this. So here negation Q or R. Max terms Next case what we have? In the fourth case P or negation Q or negation R. And in the fifth case we have negation P or Q or R. And in the sixth case we have what? In the sixth case we have negation P or Q or negation R. And in the eighth case we have all false so negation P or negation Q or negation R. Here false value of max terms so these are taking all false values. So false values, by taking false values we get the Pcnf like this. So these are the max terms, that is disjunction of preposition. These are the disjunction of this prepositions. So here Pcnf means what? Pcnf means conjunction of max terms So here max term means disjunction. Conjunction means these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are the max terms. So conjunction of max term means in between we have to place AND. So this is the Pcnf value of given problem. Now we have to take the Pdnf. Pdnf means true values of minterms. Here minterm means what? Conjunction of prepositions. So here take true values. In the first case we have all true, that is P, and conjunction of means we have to conjunction of propositions means we have to place AND in between the propositions, that is all truth means P, Q and R. This is first one. And in the second case having 2 truths and false, that is P and Q and negation R. And we have in the seventh case what? 2 false truth, that is negation P and negation Q and R. So this is the minterms. That means conjunction of preposition. In between preposition we have what? Conjunction symbol. So it is the minterms. Here in the Pdnf we have to take what? Pdnf means disjunction of minterms. These are the minterms 1, 2, 3. These are the minterms. In the Pdnf what we have? Disjunction of minterms na, so we have to place in between r. So this is the PDNF values of given problem. These are the PCNF and these are the PDNF. Again I am repeating, PCNF we have to take values of max terms. Here max term means disjunction of prepositions. These are the prepositions. In between we have to use disjunction. So here are r. You are placing in between prepositions are r. These are the max terms na. Here PCNF means conjunction of max terms. So these are the max terms. In between we have to place what? Conjunction. So we place and symbol. So these are the PCNF values of given this problem. Now PDNF means true values of minterms. Minterm means was conjunction of preposition. These are the prepositions. Conjunction means we have to place in between preposition and. So these are the minterms. These three are the minterms. Here PDNF means disjunction of minterms. 1, 2, 3 are the minterms. In between we have to place disjunction, that means or symbol. So this is the PDNF values of given problem. Hope you love the video guys. Like, share, comment and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my YouTube channel, and subscribe my channel. Hope you people understand this PCNF and PDNF concept. So thank you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people like the video. Keep supporting me by subscribing the YouTube channel, and like, share, comment and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my small studies YouTube channel. Thank you guys.